For the previous videos, we have been defining our own variables. Many programs involve users providing their own data. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can collect user data and use it within our program. So we do this by prompting users. Python does this by using the input function. So for example, let's try to collect some data. So I may say name is equal to input. And what this does is to collect input from my user, which is going to be the name, and then store it within the variable name. So we can go ahead and print the name. I'm going to print name. When I save this, I'm going to run our file. So I'm going to come to our terminal. Then I'll say Python users.py. Now this is going to leave this blank line, which is going to be a prompt. So we can put in our name, and this is going to print the name. So we have been able to print the user's name. However, it has been leaving us with a blank line. Now to make our program more interactive, we can specify a prompt message. So let me go ahead and write that. So I can create a variable called prompt, and prompt can be enter your, your name. So this string is going to help users to be able to know what to do when they are prompted. So inside our input function, we may specify the prompt message. So I'm going to write prompt, and when I save this, I'm going to come to the terminal and run this. So it's going to say enter your name. So when I add in my name, I'm going to print Jonathan. Now input only collects data in form of strings. What if you want to get data in form of other types such as integers or floats? Let's try that. So I'm going to come here and create a variable called age. So I'm going to say age is going to be, so we specify the data type. In this case, we want to collect data of an integer. Then we put the input statement. Then put the prompt message. In this case, you can say enter your age. I'm going to leave a space, and I'm also going to leave a space here so as to make our prompts clearer. So I'm going to write an f string. So I'm going to write an f string, and then I say, hey, you are. Then I'll put in the name, and then you are, let's say age, yes, old. I'm going to save this. When I save that, we're going to run our file. So I'm going to come and run Python prompting users.py. And this is going to prompt our age. So let me put the age 12. Then let me add the name. And this is going to give us our output.